In this store, we are hosting our third annual Gingerbread House Challenge. And this year we're so excited because we have 11 entries. We are at Achatz Handmade Pie Company, our Troy location, and this is Ashley, our store manager. How old were you when you first started working for Achatz?
I was 15 when I started as a dishwasher at our Armada shop.
And now she has worked her way up through the organization, and she is one of our best store managers that we have ever had. So Ashley, what are some of your other favorite things that you like to do besides making pies here at the pie shop?
I love decorating cakes.
Oh yeah.
That's one of my favorite things.
You have your own cupcake business.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Delicious.
And I was really busy. So
And cake pops too you were making.
They'll be here on the 16th.
Yeah, that's great. So what about your baby pets?
Yeah, so I have 3 rabbits, I have a chicken, I have a puppy, Riley, and I have 2 cats.
And you can follow Riley on Instagram.
Yeah, at Little Miss Riley Ray.
This is the first time we're hosting it here in your store, so I'm really excited about that because we have all this extra room in here. Yeah. First place is a $2,000 cash check from Achatz Pie Company. Second place is $1,000. And third place is $500. So we're really excited about awarding culinary students, culinary professionals this money because the culinary profession is something that's really getting a lot of light shined on it finally. You know, we work so hard, you have to work as a team, and our schools are, you know, encouraging students to enroll, and we thought we would just shine some light on our local Michigan culinary schools. Who can enter the gingerbread competition in case they're interested in entering next year?
Yeah, so any culinary student or any culinary professional can enter the contest.
Okay, so we have 11 entries this year. We're going to go around and look at each one of them, and I want to hear in the comments below which one you feel should be the grand prize champion. First place, let me know what you feel second place should be, and give me your opinion on third place as well. It's going to be really tough, you guys. They're all so really, really beautiful. A lot of work has gone in. There's a lot of detail. Everything is edible, right?
Yep, that is one of the requirements. Everything on the gingerbread house and the structure has to be edible. And everything has to be handmade.
So when you're deciding what first, second, and third place should be, what are the 3 things that you'll be judging these houses on?
So what we judge it on is general appearance, an overall impression of the house and the decorations, originality and uniqueness. That includes design, color, and the decorations used, and the technical difficulty.
So on Monday night, December 16th, all of our judges are coming in. We're going to have hors d'oeuvres and food and wine. It's a wonderful party. All of the people who entered will be in. And who are some of the judges, Ashley?
We have Lori Pinson from Fox 2 and Charlie Langton, and we have Kate Lawson.
She was the food writer for the Detroit News for many years.
And there's a few others.
So we have Beth from Oakland Community College. She submitted this beautiful castle. And then we have our beautiful frozen castle made by Caitlin and Jim. They're from Macomb Community College. They are the ones that were on Sugar Rush on Netflix, so check them out on there. Veronica from Sweet Intentions submitted this house. And over here we have a beautiful church made by Elizabeth and her team at Oakland Hills Country Club. This house was submitted by Bailey from the Farmer's Daughter Bakery. Chef Aaron and his team submitted this house from RCTC Culinary Arts and Bakery Science. This house was submitted by Casey and her brother from Oakland Community College. This This house here was submitted by the students at St. Clair County Community Health Services. This house here was submitted by Raven. She's from Oakland Community College. This house was submitted by Donna from Too Pretty to Eat Cookies. This house was submitted by Andrea and her team at Henry Ford College. There you have it. Those are our 11 entries for the 2019 Gingerbread House Challenge by Achatz Pie Company. Comment below on your favorites.
Okay, you guys, you still have time to share this video with a friend. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next Wednesday.